Hey, good morning, guys. Today's Friday. It's a long weekend, Thanksgiving weekend. Looking forward to a turkey dinner. I'm just up on a job. It's going to be my only job for the day. I have an easy day. I'm a little bit hurting right now, but I just want to talk. Just going to be very brief video. Just want to talk about eaves troughs. So this job here, I'm sent. They've had some blow-offs with their caps. And their eaves troughs are constantly overflowing with water, and they don't understand why. So they're thinking they need to get their eaves troughs replaced, when in fact there's nothing wrong with their eaves troughs at all. So I'm going to recap this entire roof, and then when I'm done I got to clean out the eaves troughs and yeah, collect the check and go home. But anyways, here's the real issue with these troughs, and why you should always get up and check your troughs. At least check for the drainage, the downpiping and stuff. If you can't do it, call someone in. It's not expensive to have somebody just come out and clean your troughs for you. But here's the kind of problems that obstructions can cause. Okay, so take a look at this. See how this trough is filled all the way down, all the way around with water. And the reason being is because in all the outlets you have stuff like this. So this particular one, you got a water bottle there. All the ones that are downstairs, down on the lower portion of the roof, they have balls from, kids playing in the parking lot and such. The balls, they get stuck up here. So anytime a ball or anything gets lodged in an eaves trough, it's naturally going to slope down to where the outlet is, because that's where the trough slope. So just something so simple like that. And you see all the water's draining out now. And now I'll go after this all drains out, I'll get them blown out with the blower. And pretty simple as that. Simple thing to do, just a little bit of maintenance on your roof. Anyways, guys, have a good Thanksgiving. Don't listen to the Birdo governments. Go see your families, man. Go see your families, eat your turkey dinner, and screw the ministry. Have a good weekend. Bye.